Alright, let's do this video a bit differently. So I'm going to show you a couple of images and you have to pick one from all of these. So your time starts now. So which ones did you pick? The images on the left or the images on the right? Do let me know in the comment section down below before moving further. And if you selected the ones on the left, then let me tell you, they were not taken on the Gcam mod. Surprised, aren't you? Anyways, first of all, let's see how you can get the Gcam mod on your LG Wing and can get a better performance in daylight, as Google Camera mod is still the champion when it comes to daylight shots, as you can manage some good quality images with this one. So I tested a couple of these Gcam mods on the LG Wing and the results are good as such in daylight and even in the low light scenarios. By the way, before we move further, a tap on that subscribe button will really help the channel out. So first of all you have to do is just download the APK from the link in description area, and after that, well, just tap on the install button. Now just wait for a few seconds and there you go. The latest Gcam has now been installed on your device. Now give all the necessary permissions and you will be taken to the camera app. So we get all the modes as usual, like the portrait mode, night sight and other video modes too. So feel free to try that. In the internal settings, you have a ton of options to choose from that you will never see on the stock camera applications. By the way, this one also supports the ultra wide angle camera, so just in case you use it, it's there for you. You can also enable EIS, OIS, 4K for time-lapse and whatnot. And the best thing, you can enable up to 100 times zoom on your camera. Yes, that's right, 100 times. That is quite unusable, but still, you get a lot of options to choose from, which is awesome. And you can find this option under advanced settings only. Now here are some camera samples that I took with this LG Wing from stock versus the Gcam mod. And though the stock camera application takes some good images in daylight, but the images from Gcam look more natural, and that is your personal choice. For major shots, I prefer the Gcam mod only, as the colors look better and the overall details too are better with the Gcam shots. In daylight, well, the Gcam mod is the winner and you can expect good quality images from Gcam even in night environment as well. And you are not wrong, it does take some better images overall as compared to the stock camera app. But I was surprised by the great performance of this LG Wing's camera in dark mode, as this night mode is way too awesome than what I expected it to be. And I don't think anyone just paid enough attention to it, as in totally dark scenarios, it beats Gcam mod even hands down. It has much brighter images and overall they are more usable. So if you ask me, I don't think that the stock camera application on LG Wing is bad at all, especially for dark environment, as it just takes great images that are pretty much usable. Lastly, if you are wondering about the updates of this Gcam, well, the link I have attached has all the versions and you can see all the updates from time to time on that one. So feel free to go ahead and check out the link in description area. And that's it for this Gcam mod on the LG Wing. So do like this video if it helps you out and tap on that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.